Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create long press draggable object like this. If I am doing long press, then you can drag anywhere in your screen like this. So without any delay, let's get started. For this, first of all, this is my home screen, and for that, inside this class you will have to set offset. It will provide the initial position of your image. You can adjust according to your requirement, and then inside build method it have taken center, and then layout builder. There will be two properties, context and constraints provide the actual draggable location where we will drag the image. Inside that it will return stack, and stack has property of children, and inside that first of all I've taken position, and in this position I have actually provided the left and top of the offset like dx dy, and then this position has this long press draggable widget, and inside this I am for now in this feedback I'm using this image.asset, and I am taking the height of the image 2, and it has property of color. I'm giving orange accent, and again blend mode color burn. So what this color will do, whenever I will do long press, it will change the color. This one is the original image and this one is a draggable, and the color of the image becomes orange because of this color. So after that it has a property of children also. So this children, it is the same image dot assets, and on draggable it has a method which is on drag end. Whenever I will start dragging, it will, and whenever I will left drag, it will give some value. So we will have to do some calculations. We will make this adjustment media query context size height minus constraint dot max height, and for offset we will put this details offset dot dx details offset dot dy minus adjustment, and what it will do, it will set state and the offset value will be changed. So the new position of the offset will be updated and our image will be shipped from one place to another. Okay, there is some semicolon. Yes, looks fine. Let me run this once again. Must be some problem with this offset, so need to change this. Okay, I'm providing width also to this image. Let me make height is 300 and width is 200, and also I am changing the position. Let me run this once again. No need to change this. Yeah, let me run this. It is working. When you will long press, you can drag this. So hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in a next video. Bye for now.